Good
Monday.
What are we making today? We're making a 1963 chicken and gravy recipe from Carnation. The recipe seemed very simple, which of course caught my attention. We've got chicken drumsticks, chicken thighs. Normally I buy the quarters and I cut them up because I want big pieces of chicken. But for this dish, we wanted small chicken fryers. We're going to be using our 2-quart Pyrex 222. I hope it's big enough. It said use a 2-quart shallow baking dish. Basically, we've got mushrooms, grated. This is Colby Jack. It does not say what kind of cheese to use. It says processed. So I thought this would melt fairly well. 3/4 cup of Carnation, 1/4 cup of flour, salt and pepper. It asks for 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm worried today everything is a little bit more salty, like the cheese might be. So I've got 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Oh man, I almost forgot one of the most important things. Condensed cream of mushroom soup. This is the whole reason I just did the review of those 3 soups. I had to buy cream of mushroom soup. I thought we would try the Great Value. I'm really glad that came out on top. Oh. Where's the butter? I'm missing the butter. There's butter. We put like 1/4 cup of butter in here. Flour the chicken, put it in here, bake it for 30 minutes. Directions in the instructions. Directions in the description. Oh, small cooked onions. I cooked these yesterday. I bought this bag of small onions, got them home. The next day they were sprouting. So some of them are tiny little bit green. We're going to eat them anyway. Butter, chicken flour, cheese, carnation, mushrooms. It's all pretty explanatory. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Oh my gosh. Who's excited? Are we excited? Who's excited? I'm excited. Oh, wow. Wow. Ooh. How do I know where the chicken is? All right, here we go. I'm not sure the chicken's done. I don't think they're done yet. I'm putting it back in the oven uncovered for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So I put it in for another 10 minutes at 350. uncovered. Oh yeah. Now she's bubbling. Good. I find that if chicken has bones in it, you want to go over 165. Where? Is that that's a leg? Up! One. Ooh. Get a onion. Couple of onions. Let's get one more leg. Oh yeah. In another recipe I read for chicken and gravy, you could have buttered noodles. I'm going a little low carb today. We have to cut one open, man. Let's do it. It's very cheesy. I did not add any salt. Let's try a mushroom. Mushroom is delicious. Let's try an onion. Onion's delicious! Let's try the chicken. Oh, it looks good. Doesn't that look good? Skin fell off it. Let's get a little gravy. Here we go. I don't think it needs any salt. Get a little skin and chicken. That's really good. Wow. I wouldn't know that there's carnation in there. I'm happy. Let's cut a big piece of chicken off here. It's tender. Beautiful. All right. Let's try another piece. Maybe a little salt wouldn't hurt. It's right on the cusp of being salty and unsalted. I don't regret not salting it. That's delicious. It really is delicious. This does have a nice thickness to it. I think it's delicious. Oh. Zeta's happy. Thanks for joining me this
Monday.
Thanks for watching. Oh yeah.